As a college student, cooking at home might not be the most appealing option. It's tempting to grab a quick meal while you're out, especially if the thought of cooking seems daunting or if you're unsure where to start in the kitchen. Fortunately, ChatGPT is a valuable resource that caters to your needs, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. ChatGPT is a remarkably useful tool for discovering new meals to cook, creating customized grocery lists, or making the most out of the ingredients already in your pantry. If you find yourself unsure of what to cook, how to prepare meals for one or two people, or if you're eager to try something new, ChatGPT will suggest meals according to your preferences. Asking ChatGPT for meals is much easier than you might imagine. All it takes is typing a detailed prompt into ChatGPT to get started. On this slide, you can see that I typed, "What should I make for dinner tonight? I will only be cooking for one." Just like that, ChatGPT provided me with a detailed grocery list and recipe for a salmon and potato dish for one. Should you wish to plan ahead, ChatGPT can provide a week's worth of recipes and a corresponding grocery list. After typing in the prompt shown here that says, "Can you please give me a grocery list and recipes for dinner for the next week?" I can see 7 different recipes and an entire grocery list for all those meals. This is especially beneficial if you feel anxious or overwhelmed in the grocery store. With a specific list in hand, you can confidently shop without wandering aimlessly. It is also incredibly useful if you have dietary restrictions. It can be difficult to think of meals that require alternative foods that are gluten-free, dairy-free, etc. All you have to do is add those bits of information into your prompt, and ChatGPT will work its magic. Additionally, ChatGPT can ensure your food doesn't go to waste by creating recipes from the items already in your household. We have all looked in our refrigerator or pantry and had to throw something away if it went bad. I am not a fan of letting things go to waste, so I have now been using ChatGPT to help fix that and repurpose my ingredients. As you can see, I told ChatGPT I wanted to use an onion, a cucumber, tomato, heavy cream, and a baked potato. In response, it suggested I make a creamy potato soup with a cucumber and tomato salad. I never would have thought of a meal that could incorporate all of these items. Now, they do not have to go to waste, and I know I got my money's worth of them. You can see just how helpful ChatGPT is for your journey in the kitchen. In conclusion, ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's your ally in the kitchen. As a college student, it understands the challenges you face and offers practical solutions to elevate your cooking experience. So, the next time you contemplate grabbing fast food, consider using ChatGPT to aid in your next meal. Embrace the simplicity, the tailored assistance, and the confidence it provides in the realm of cooking.